Dear parents, staff and students, the proverb for today, every man is the architect of his own future. We have only one life. We visit this planet Earth only once. And how best can we make out of this life? Many philosophers, many philosophies. Adler said, life is about power, get power. Freud said, life is about enjoyment, enjoy your life. Viktor Frankl said, no, life is not about power or enjoyment. In life, you have to have a purpose. You have to give a meaning to your life. Then only it is successful. To make things very plain, we have to lead our life in a comfortable way. How do we do that? There are so many problems in the society, and you will pick up one problem and you will learn the skill to solve that problem. And for solving that problem, people will pay you money. That is how you make a living. Say suppose like a goldsmith, people wants to make jewelry, but they don't know how to make, right? So a goldsmith will learn how to make jewelry and give it to them. They will in return pay him money. Same is the case with engineer, right? You want to build a house or the government want to build a bridge, right? So he will hire him. He has the skill to solve that problem. Same is the case with doctors. There is disease. We can't cure all those things by ourselves. So we visit a doctor. He has learnt that skill to cure, and then we pay in return. So that is how the life goes on. We have to build that one. So how do we build? So if you want to be in a good position, better position, then you have to be more excellent in your skill. If you want to be excellent in your skill, you should have discipline, a good routine. So it is advisable right from the beginning to form good habits, to have a good work ethic. Is it not? So let me tell you about an incident that has happened with Mr. Kalam. Mr. Kalam, our former president, the missile man, you know, right? He wants to interact with children. He loves to interact with children and advise them how to come up in life. So on one such occasion, a girl asked him, "Sir, what is your advice for the future generation to become successful like you?" He said, first of all, aim high, dream big, then learn continuously. Don't stop learning. Learn continuously, acquire as much knowledge as you can in that subject, in what you are aiming at, in that, then you will become excellent. Do hard work. That is the only thing that differentiates between successful people and unsuccessful people. Everybody is talented, but some people work and become excellent. Number 4, persevere. Just because you are working hard, just because you are learning, it won't become easy for you sometimes. Life will throw some twists and turns. So troubles may come and it may hinder your progress. Then don't be disappointed. Persevere. And if you follow these things, definitely you will be successful, he said. And one more thing I would like to add, to have a positive mindset. How to have a positive mindset? First of all, there are 4 things I will tell. 1. Say to yourself, I love myself. Because like ourselves, who will like us? So, I like myself. Second one, I can do it. If anybody says you can't do it, don't believe that. You can do it. So, tune your mind positively. I can do anything. If I put my mind on it, if I work on it, I can do it. Third one, I am responsible. See, my exam is there. If I have a positive mind, okay, and work hard, I will be the one responsible. I won't blame anybody. Okay? I am responsible. I will take responsibility for the consequences. I will take responsibility for the results. So I am responsible. And fourth one, I feel terrific. See, anytime you feel terrific, you feel good. In any situation, suppose like you are going to the school, you are going to the office, you don't know what is awaiting you. But if you go, I will feel good. Whatever the situation, I can control and I will always feel good. If you have that mindset, definitely you will feel good. So, let us have a good future. Let us build a good future, taking the hints from Viktor Frankl, Dr. Kalam, and this positive mindset, we can build a good future. So, the proverb for today, my dear friends, is every man is the architect of his own future. Good day, everyone.